Santa na party dito sa Nay Cavite. Bayang karerista, kayo ang bida.
Gates open, they're up and racing. Capricciosa draws for your lead. My Little Grace, Peace and Love. Ninjutsu, Iwo Jima from behind now, running second last, and Hot Gossip is in behind them, heading towards the 600 meters pole. We have runner number 4, Capricciosa, Ninjutsu, My Little Grace running in between runners. Iwo Jima coming from behind, moves up to grab the lead. Now we have Ramil Tanagon on Iwo Jima, goes right for the lead. Capricciosa remains in second by Daryl, racing in third, My Little Grace, Ninjutsu. And down the stretch they come, Iwo Jima, Capricciosa is by Daryl. Iwo Jima, Capricciosa down on the inside, fighting back, but Iwo Jima this time by about a length and a half. Capricciosa moving up, Peace and Love, and finally, Iwo Jima, Capricciosa, Peace and Love, Ninjutsu, My Little